Hello everyone, let's solve this question under what logic, art of reasoning. If you can reason well, you understand what is logic, right? Now this is a truth table, okay, but it's not a full truth table, but it's a truth table. This P represent a what? Represent a open word sentence, okay, and this Q represent what? A conclusion word sentence, right? Now here we have T T F F. This T means truth and this F means false. So it means that this statement here is true, this statement here is what? True. And we are expected to find negation P and Q. Now this negation you're seeing simply means what? Not. And this sign you're seeing means what? And that's conjunction. Are you with me? Now if you are asked to find not P and Q, you have to know what is not P. That's why I keep this space. Okay? Because before you can find not P and Q, you have to know what is not P. So let's find not P. Take note that not P simply means you're taking the opposite of the original P. The P here is what? T. So not P will be F, because in here is T, not P will be F. Are you hearing me? So here is F. Here is T, so not P will still be F. Taking the opposite. Here is F, so not P will what? Will be truth. Here is F, so not P will what? Will be truth. You are done. If you can determine the not P, you can determine not P and Q. Have you seen? Take note that conjunction simply means what? And disjunction simply means what? Or. So since you're having conjunction here, look at what you're going to do. Now that means you're going to do what? You're going to come. We are not working. We are working on. Let me see. We're working with only these two man we are looking with. Yeah, you see, I'm using not P and this is Q. So how am I going to know not P and Q? Now here is truth and here is false. Take note that we're working with conjunction. Remember that here this statement here is truth and this statement here is false. It means that the concluded part of the sentence of the statement is false, but the opening part is truth. It means that the conjunction of that statement will all be false. Okay, since the conclusion part is not real, it's false. It means that the total conclusion of all these statements will be false. So it means that here is just false. Take note of that, please. Conclusion of all the statements will be false. Now I see yes false and yes false. Everything will be false. Okay. See here is true and here is true. Everything will be truth. And see yes F is the opening sentence of that statement here. The first statement here is what? Is F. And concluding part is what? Is truth. It means that this opening one will affect everything to make, because there's some place you go to when they're asking you question. When you're saying is not aligned to your conclusion part, people now check in and say, this guy, you're lying. So if what you are saying for the starting was the beginning of your sentence where you are lying, the conclusion part you are saying the truth, all they will believe is lies. That means you are lying. My friend, keep quiet. You're the one that stood that phone. Okay? So they will not say all what you are saying is lie, is F, which is false. So this is logic. And logic is so beautiful. Don't worry, man. Next video I want to talk about more about your what? Your implication and by implication. Okay? And also your what? Disjunction. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you're interested.